Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to set up Beko fridge freezer. Firstly, if possible, unbox the appliance outside or in an open space to make maneuvering easier, and locate the stapled edge of the box and tear along the line. Discard cardboard, styrofoam or bubble wrap. Now, locate the user manual, egg tray if applicable, and plastic wedges inside one of the drawers. These ensures proper airflow behind the appliance when you attach the ventilation wedges. On some models, you can attach them by hand, while others require a screwdriver to secure them. Allow at least 4 hours before switching the appliance on, and this lets the compressor gas and liquid settle, preventing potential damage. Tilt the refrigerator backwards slightly and use the rear wheels to move into position. Avoid dangling the mains lead or disturbing water connections, and adjust the front feet to ensure it sits evenly on the floor. Rock the appliance gently from the side to side. If it wobbles, adjust the feet accordingly. Appliance is fully unpacked and free from packaging materials. Ventilation wedges are attached properly, and you need to wait 4 hours before switching on, and appliance is level and stable. Once everything is set, plug it in, switch it on, and enjoy your new refrigerator. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.